Hello, I'm Tom with Tom's Universe, and welcome to my free Impact Marketing Review. Look, I'm not an affiliate for Impact Marketing. I just don't get paid to do this review. I do it to help people make an informed decision. Look, I've been helped along the way. I just want to give back. But before we start, make sure you stick around for the very end because I have a very special gift for you that can change your life. It has changed my life. So Impact Marketing is a popular platform for managing affiliate and influencer marketing programs. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons, to help you decide if it's a good fit for you. So let's talk about some pros. So it's an established platform. It's been around for a long time. Impact is a well-known player in the affiliate marketing space with a large network of many brands and many publishers. Impact Marketing offers a wide range of features, including performance tracking, commission management, reporting tools, and creative asset libraries. The platform is scalable and can handle programs of all sizes, from beginners, small businesses, to large enterprises. Impact provides valuable data analysis with insights to help users optimize their marketing campaigns. The platform can be used to manage both affiliate and influencer marketing programs. So the niche product types are basically digital products and services. The average commission rate varies per merchant. Some of them are higher, some of them are lower. The cookie duration is 45 days. The minimum payout is $25 to $100, depending on the payment method. Payment methods go from direct deposit, BACS, and PayPal. Payout dates are the 1st of the month and then the 15th of the month. Affiliate support, they have live chat, they have tickets and phone. Trustpilot or G2 star ratings are 4.6 out of 5 stars on G2. Pretty good. So the cons. Learning curve. Impact can be complex for beginners to navigate. With a variety of features and functionalities, customer service, some users report slow or unresponsive customer service. The cost, here it comes. Impact can be expensive for smaller businesses with pricing based on features and usage. Whatever you want, whatever you use, you pay for that. There's a fraudulent activity. Like any affiliate platform, there's always a risk of encountering fraudulent activity. Here are some additional factors to consider. Your needs. Identify your specific needs for an affiliate marketing platform. Consider your budget, depends on how much money you have. Program size and desired features. How big a program and what features you want. Industry reviews. While this review avoids bias, it's helpful to explore other sources like TrustRadius and Shopify reviews to understand user experiences. I'm going to do reviews on those two also. Alternatives are research other affiliate marketing platforms like ShareASale, Awin, or AvantLink to compare features and pricing. But overall, Impact Marketing can be a strong tool for managing affiliate and influencer marketing programs, especially for established businesses. However, its complexity and cost may not be ideal for beginners. Carefully weigh the pros and cons and compare it to other alternatives before making a decision. Yeah? Look, in my opinion, the best online business is affiliate marketing. The upside is passive income. It has low startup costs. You can do it from anywhere. You don't have to buy product or hold inventory. You don't need customer service, a staff, or employees. So to sum this all up, if you're looking to start a high ticket affiliate marketing business and you don't know where to start, you should look at my free ebook. It gives you the 3 steps to start a side hustle with high ticket affiliate marketing without having a product experience or being a techie. You don't need to be a tech expert. Go to my comments, hit the link tomsuniverse.net for your free ebook gift. Check it out. Look, just to see if affiliate marketing is for you. You might like it, you might not, you got nothing to lose. While you're there, hit the subscribe button for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. You be safe out there because it's a dangerous world we live in.